how has the practice and business of mass tort class action evolved over time? Because a lot has happened in the past 10 years, right? So in your perspective, Todd, what's changed and how have things evolved? Good, bad, and everything in between.
Yeah, so things have definitely evolved in the last 10 years. I think, the first traditional mass tort case I filed was a Vioxx case. So that was, now going on close to 20 years ago.
Right.
But in the last 10 years, I've really seen a huge shift in a lot of ways. One great thing I've seen happen, and I say this and I continue to say this, and I'll continue to say this until I'm too old to remember what I'm talking about, is one of the best things that I've seen happen in the last 10 years is the focus that has been put on female attorneys, minority attorneys, getting opportunities to lead MDLs, to have a significant impact, to be elevated to judges, to be the judges that are handling these large MDL dockets. Even 10 years ago, which doesn't seem like that long ago, it was almost always a older white judge that got the case, older white men who were the leads, and middle-aged and younger white men who were the backup support for the lead counsel. If you go back and look at statistics, it's shocking. Just 10 years ago, that was the case.
Yeah.
And now we see, even with the most recent appointment, I believe, in the CPAP litigation, where the court has taken upon itself to put together almost an advisory group of young lawyers that the court has appointed, that assures that we're going to have people of various ages, various backgrounds, ethnicities, genders, rise up through the ranks and be able to handle this litigation with that experience. And so that, to me, and the reason I say I'll continue to preach it, I've got a 18-year-old daughter who's getting ready to go off to college, and I just think if she'd come up 20 years ago, she wouldn't have had the opportunity she's going to have 10 years from now. Right. And it's because of this focus that's been there. So that's one of the huge differences I've seen.